Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. So yeah, yesterday, just put this up there. Yeah, I tried to take a GJ sell over here, which on the 30-minute time frame was looking very, very nice to continue down. Unfortunately, we got hit out here. Let's take a look. Yeah, was it 2 o'clock? Let me see the signal over here. Yeah, got in 480, so on that low. I think, or this one came up, tapped me out, even though my stop should have been a bit higher than that. And then it finally went to TP, just about, maybe scraping it. But yeah, it's a shame we couldn't continue there. It looked very, very good. The hourly did this as well. It was looking nice. To continue down. But yeah, so I think what happened there was the news with gold when it launched back down. Yeah, that was at the same time. So yeah, let's just get rid of this. I hope things are looking good today. Yeah, it looks a bit quieter today, which is nice to see, a bit relaxed. So daily time frame on gold. GJ. Sorry, GJ is bearish in a bearish trend. However, the 4 hours have been making some good recovery candles, which is nice. Yeah, the 4 hour right now hasn't exceeded the low or the high yet, so kind of interesting. Looks like if this candle wants to flip something, oh shit. Yeah, something like that would be quite interesting. For potential buys. Taking a look on the lower time frames, let me just move this a bit there. So now you can kind of see what we're looking at over here. Hourly's got an hourly support 154,470. Take a look in the 30 and the 15. Yeah, a little bit of traffic to 280 there, but that is enough room to take a trade below this area here. 440. Because the zone to the next support here is 14, 15 pips, pretty reasonable, and then to this one it's actually 30. So yeah, that's not too bad. For potential buys, you'd be wanting to look maybe above this area over here, 154,900. I might be able to squeeze it actually before here, 154,800. Yeah. Then wicks should go stop loss to break even. That's like 17 pips anyway, so that's okay. So I think it's gonna be looking okay. Let's take a look at the hourly now. Hourly just closed bearish 20 minutes ago, rejecting, so that's fine. But yeah, we'll see. I'm quite open to doing both, to be honest. Just in this range, I think closures above and below are looking pretty reasonable. For sure. Let's take a look at the range. If you could take a trade in the range, 36 pips. Yeah, so something like that happened at 2 o'clock. That was nice. Nice rejection wicks as well. That one played out nicely. Hope things look good today. I think your sells were similar to controllers. Yeah, I think so too. I think I got in a bit before him. But yeah, he took a 17 pip loss. I took a 12, I think, or 11. So yeah, kind of intrigued to see where this is going to go over here. Take a look on the 30.
What's
there.
up? What's up?
What up? What up? Maybe. I mean, if you get in the 800 there, look at this traffic. Yeah, I may have to wait a little bit higher over here. 937.
I enter a GU.
I bet you did.
Yeah, 1 hour looks great.
Let's take a look at GU as well.
Look, let's.
You enter GU now?
Bombs are you? Yeah, 1 hour.
1 hour flip for a sell?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard because the 4 hours still.
Oh, the daily is bullish also. Daily is bullish.
Yeah, it's interesting. How much did it retrace by? It retraced quite a lot, which is nice. Yeah, and gold yesterday. Holy shit. Holy sh! I saw in Ted's story he talked about he was trying to take buys. Didn't think he made much money yesterday. I think he got buys and then tried to keep on getting buys and gotten slapped. So let's just take a look at gold over here. Oh my god, look at that daily candle. Holy shit. Yeah, daily candle over here is bullish, strongly bullish again, no bottom wick. It's just rising and shining. Pretty nice. Let's do this here. 1 second, just checking something here. Yeah, interesting. Yeah. So daily's bullish, 4 hour over here. Is coming up again, kind of making some bullish support. I kind of saw a little entry before. It was a bit too early though, because I was still half asleep. But it was, where was it? It was on the 15? Yeah, exceeding that high there, 1917. Which is the high of the previous 30 as well. Stop loss below 18 pips, 24 pip gain, 38 pip gain. That was pretty nice. I like that a lot. That was pretty good. So yeah, take a look at the lower time frames now. You can see we are starting to head back up over here. There is hourly resistance at 1925. That's like 7 pips away though, so it's kind of decent. Where have we just tapped though? We have just tapped this support and seem to react off it over here, 1921. Let me just take a look at the 4 hours. So, you know, if the 4 hours are respecting these lows over here, if we do start coming up over here, we do have clean candles to the left to continue back up to the highs, which could be quite reasonable. The only issue is this daily time frame hasn't got a lower wick and could make one eventually. I wonder why it moved down so much after yesterday. I would love to know. I think maybe it might be on purpose, because doesn't Putin have a shitload of gold? He's kind of fucking paying for his war. Every time gold goes up, he just can buy some more rockets.
I think it's more to do with Biden's speech.
Ah. Really? I thought Biden's speech was fucking ass.
Yeah, but he was like really calm and trying not to stir things up. And
that's true.
That.
That is true, actually. Yeah, calming it down probably helps a bit of gold over here.
Yeah,
for sure.
But gold is back in that channel I drew on the chart I sent on the Discord a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
So yesterday it broke out and
now it's back in it.
And now it's back in it, so it's all good.
Yeah.
It's doing what it's supposed to be doing.
Yeah. Oh yes. Oh, GU about to flip again. Yeah, my only issue with the GU sells there is the 4 hour, man. It's kind of the same as GJ. Could be just making the lower wick to continue. We've got a lot of time. It's only 7:20. We got a lot of time. Yeah, still fucking fighting badly. Oh my god. Let me just do an Instagram on this over here. So yeah, I think it'll be pretty good to continue bullish or bearish. You know, the thing is over here is I'm not really too bothered because we've got the 4 hour and the daily where price is, so you just gotta wait for it to pick direction, then we can start to look at taking trades over here. Yeah, yesterday was a fun one with that GJ trade. Oh my god, so close. It was so close. to hit TP. Yesterday spread and stop loss were crazy. 5-minute candle, 100 pips. Yeah, I know. That shit was mad. 5-minute candles. Yeah, they were huge yesterday. You had to have big stops yesterday.
I don't know how I didn't lose yesterday. The GJ. I don't know how the spreads.
Yeah.
It must be your big balls of protein.
Yeah. Yeah. How did yours keep in? That was annoying as fuck. I got tapped out and then it just fucking launched back down. I was like, no. Yeah, man, that trade was looking good, man. I was excited for that because it made such a nice top wick. It was looking good, but yeah, couldn't continue. Could not continue.
Come on, Gio, flip it.
Yeah.
How's your viewers on YouTube, Max?
You what?
How many viewers on YouTube?
Only 89 today. It's only 7:25.
No, I mean, with the last month, generally.
Oh,
Say again, please.
Oh, like how many total viewers?
Yeah, did it decrease?
Nah, increased.
Is it rising or falling?
Rising.
Yeah.
Always rising. Always rising. Yeah. Yeah. Look, 2000s. 2000s now.
And the live, approximately.
Normally.
By the live session.
Normally like 250, 300.
Ooh, shit! Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also waiting on the GU flip. Looks like it's just done it there, so that would be nice.
Let's go, Jim. Yeah, slow volume. No volume.
We'll see if it can pick up over here. We'll see if it can pick up some volume. What was I looking at as well? Yeah, it looks like GG for gold 1920 is the support over here, held as a resistance as well. It will be interesting to see if it closes back above there. For sure, hourly still 32 minutes left, a lot of time, and we'll have to see.
Can you put on some music, please?
Yeah, oh, sorry, can you guys not hear this?
That's okay. Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, thank you.
Put that on there. Okay, wicked. So yeah, how's everyone doing in the chat? Let's just say hi to everyone. Hello. I kind of want to sell gold when price breaks previous 30-minute low to come down, fill previous daily wick.
No.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's hard, isn't it? Because we've had so much of a bearish move back all the way down. Could be just making a pullback then continue. You could be right, but the 4-hour time frames closing bullish would be scary for me. Please look at US30. It's going ballistic. Oh, you send me a chart. I'll take a look. I can't never hear the music. Only hear Max and other people talking. Can you not hear?
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, you should be able to hear it, I think. Maybe you got the sound turned off. Don't know. So yeah, I mean, GJ, what am I preferring? I mean, buys probably, to be honest. I think buys could be reasonable.
Yeah.
I think buys would be a bit nicer. 4-hour flipping as well soon, which is nice to see. I was going to say potential buys above 154.800, but for me, the wicks to the left on the 15-minute here would cause a bit of pain in the ass. Getting in a bit lower, if this candle closes over here, 12 pips in the low. Take a look at the 30-minute. 30 minutes closing in 30 seconds. Interesting to see. Yeah, I think if price was like down at this area and did something like this here, then I would be getting into buys a bit earlier today. Yeah. Flipping the 4-hour time frame now. Very, very shortly. But looking nice to potentially continue because we've got the higher time frames with us. Just need a nice closure above this level and we should be good. What about gold? I don't think
my
this...
GU. Sorry, Max. Sorry.
Yeah, for gold, you know, the 30 minutes just closed bearish below support, so really respecting that area. Take a look at the hourly. The hourly's still open though, hasn't exceeded the low yet, so I think for me, just wait for the hourly on gold. I think so. Look at the hourly. Yeah, I think that'll be the best. Oh, people eyeing up these buys. With this lower wick. Stop loss below. Flipping the 4-hour. 16 pip stops, quite aggressive though. Interesting. Interesting on GJ. Land for even heavily. Land's got his GU trade on.
Yeah, 30 minutes close right above that zone.
GU.
But 1 hour still looking. But 1 hour still looking good.
Yeah. GU's looking. It's coming for your ass.
Yeah,
so if I got in,
I'm gonna respect that war strategy.
I'm just looking at this candle, right? And if we do make a nice low wick here to continue, it could be pretty nice. Let's take a look on the 30. Yeah. Yeah. Because even though it's in the zone, getting in a bit earlier over here, when we get to the highs, it may just want to run, and also we'll be able to squeeze 10 pips from there anyway. Dude. Yeah, and then continue to like 920. Yeah, interesting, because these are really, really strong candles. Take a look at the hourly time frame. The only issue is the hourly, 27 minutes left. Hasn't exceeded the high of the previous yet. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. It's just that 4-hour flipping into it would be quite nice. Oh, it's gonna flip it. My issue is where would the stops be? Yeah, like 15 pips. Kind of annoying. For GG, I think I'll stay away from a buy after that huge drop yesterday. I don't think it'll correct this move unless there's huge change in fundamentals. Yeah, potentially. Are you looking for a buy in GJ? Yeah, I'm gonna probably wait now, just a bit higher up. 30 minutes, still got 26 minutes left, so still a lot of time. But for me, the hourly's still open and hasn't exceeded the high of the previous, and that's right at resistance. So, you know, it could be kind of hard to take a trade there. For sure. And yeah, gold is just playing this thing really. Who got slapped on gold yesterday? I'd love to know, because it just looked like everyone was winning. Everyone was just buying, closing their eyes, having a great time. And then until this happened.
Yeah. Fucking gold.
Yeah, we were looking at that entry, weren't we? Where was it on the low? Was it there? .40 pip, 38 pips. Stop. Oof. What's wrong with the stream? It was just lagging. It's fine now. It's fine now, don't worry about it. Got a lucky 150 pips, crazy volume. Nice chat. Nice. Yeah, some big volume. I think I saw official Lins do that, actually, a trade like that as well, which is nice. GJ been no ho lately. Yesterday we lost 4%, however managed to get 3% back from GA. Oh wow. GA? Yeah, GA, that trade yesterday when we were in that GJ trade yesterday worked out nicely. It worked out very, very well. Oh yeah. You smacked my face on a small $10 account. I was just selling and selling, then boom. Oh damn. What broker in the US has the lowest spread? I have no idea for brokers in there. Oh, look at that sell stop, would have been beautiful as well. Yeah, I don't know for US. Yeah, it looks like GA still continuing down over here. Daily candles are pretty nice. 4-hour candles kind of weren't before, hourlies were. Take a look to the left. Yeah, it's coming to this choppy area now, so I kind of don't want to trade that area at all. Take a look at the 30-minute on gold, hourly on gold. 24 minutes left for this hourly. How long did it take you to become profitable, bro? You're great. Took me, I think 2 years. 2 years. Yeah, it took a long time. Takes a long time. Very, very long time. And half of that is just being break even, which is annoying. Which, to be honest, recently with the moves in this year, it's kind of like that, you know, just chilling. Nothing really much, not big gains yet, but they'll come in the next couple months. Speculating gold buys, I see some potential to reach 1960. EU smacked my face on a wall. $10 account, I was just selling and selling them, boom. Ooh. That's no good. Are you still in this GU?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like the 15. Yeah, that 1530 is annoying.
Yeah, but 1 hour is still looking good.
Yeah. Yeah. Who else is in here? Is Brian in here today? What's Brian looking for before he takes these GJ buys? Is Brian even in here today? Oh yeah, he is.
Brian Nasdaq. He's doing pretty well.
Yeah, that Nasdaq was good, yeah.
I'm here too, niggas!
Oh, fuck, Jason.
Oh my god. Is Jason not awake today?
I'm in fucking DMR 2.1 training, man. Fuck sakes. Supervision. I don't even do my work.
I like to hear your voice, Jason. I like to hear your voice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking set up.
He's a mad hatter.
Come on, give me some volume. Come on.
Guys, but I must say, buys and sells on GJ are looking tasty.
Yeah.
Get a fuck up.
Yes, especially if you break here, it'll be looking nice.
Yeah, man. Either or, man. Either or.
Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. So yeah, I mean the daily candle. Now this for me and GJ is a nice lower wick. If we flip here, exceeds how big?
Hey, if you flip, I'm gonna lose.
Yeah, literally. Because then you'll be flipping into the 4-hour time frame and pushing. But how long left? Yeah, maybe not enough for 8 o'clock.
Come on, give me some volume.
Yeah. Yeah, the hourly's still bearish, isn't it? But what was that? It was 800. Where would that look like if I got in? Yeah, a lot further up actually. We'll see. You can use Dominion Markets or Trader's Domain. Yeah, you have to. Do they work, or do you have to use crypto to deposit? GU flip. GU hourly flip.
Well, it's flipping, but it's not moving.
Yeah.
Nice zone down there.
Yeah. Goes right at that support.
Yeah. That's my issue, but 1 hour looks good. And considering only 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hours have been 1 hours have been good recently, eh?
Yeah. Your war strategy.
Yeah, look,
Here we
war's
go.
happening.
Here we go.
Yes. Hourly flipping down over here, nice. So yeah, let me mark my thing up over here. Morning chat, morning everyone. Let me just put this over here. I'm going to do sells below. That'll be looking pretty good to continue down.
Come on, a little bit more.
154438. For sure. That'll be pretty nice. And then yeah, maybe potentially buys above this area. Oh yeah. Buys above this area, but I'm not gonna lie, if this candle flips here in the next like 13-12 minutes, I may take this for stop loss below. Oh, 14 pips. It's a bit annoying. Because I'll be rejecting it for like the 3rd time now. And this volume's got to go somewhere. And it should come to 930.
Ah, fuck, I got 5 pips, but I didn't break even. I leave it.
This candle starts flipping up here, you're fucked.
No, I'm gonna be fine. Maybe going down.
Yeah, it's 15 minutes closing, but I do think this next 30 could do something like this. Yeah. If not, then that'll be good as well. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Yeah. I just like it when we get a 30-minute strong with a nice wick to the bottom. It's very nice. It's very nice. Can you help my man is swollen? Can you help me? My yan is swollen. What is that? Max, how was your week? Been alright. I mean, it's been okay. I took that 60 pip gold trade on Monday, and then I took a 2 break evens, which actually ran to TP, which is a bit of a shame. And then I got a GJ -12 yesterday, so. It's okay. I wish that other actually, I also got a plus GJ 14 pips yesterday as well. So I was break even basically for yesterday, and then yeah, that gold trade 60 pips on Tuesday. Yeah. I think if this reflips the hourly, it wouldn't be looking too good. So.
It's looking too good for me.
It's looking good now.
Well done for GU, Milan.
Yeah, looking good, looking good.
Almost.
Yeah, it's 15 minutes, a bit of a choppy area, but big support is at 133.922. That should be very nice.
Can't put 7 pips. Come on.
Honestly, the best thing to do with GJ is to stay with it. Does anyone know if on-screen Magic Keys is compatible with iPad Pro? Oh, I don't know. I don't know actually.
I think Magic Keys are not compatible with Apple devices. Only Windows, Microsoft. Yeah, Windows. Sorry.
Yeah. I thought that too. Oh, my stops are just going to be a bit too big, but this is looking good. A flip, man. Because now this is like the 3rd time it's rejecting. it'll be with the 4 hour flipping. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this. Fuck it. Right, 50-minute just closed. Kind of weak. My stops are gonna be a bit bigger though. Is it enough, or should I just wait for the hourly? 15 minutes left. Oh, what should I do? Yeah, I don't have it yet, guys. Sorry, I hadn't enough time to think about it. So 50-minute closed weak bearish, rejected the lows again, and now the 30-minute is flipping over here.
Sorry, I missed that, Max. Did you say you got in, or you just didn't have?
No.
What was your thing in the end?
I haven't had like the time to set it all up. It's because I thought this next 15 is gonna chill a little bit.
Yeah, fair enough.
I kind of want to get into it though, but it's just for me the stops, like 14 pips.
Yeah.
Is it worth it though? 756 would be here. 15 minutes left. The hourly still bullish now, with an extra rejection. Interesting to see. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for London Open. Fuck it. We'll see what it does here. Gives a direction, and then maybe London Open. Get a little move. Could paper trade it. Move the screen line. Yeah, because then if we get this hourly closure above, then it'll be looking nice. Yeah. Gold's setting up for. Ooh, yeah. Gold is rejecting over here. Stop loss is too big. Where? Which one's this one? Yeah. I think it's nice. If this was at a London Open, then that would be good, but I think I'm just going to wait. How's GU going now?
Max, that's like your setup you took on the sim on GJ.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's that 30. If you look at 30 minute, it's the that bear candle broke below the support. Your buyers is bullish. Next one closed back above. This one then tests the highs with the volume time.
Yeah,
it's nice, I think.
Yeah, I think it is. I mean, I think it was just a stop for me. The 14-15 pips is kind of a biggest stop. And how long left for the hourly? I mean, yeah, 12 minutes. Looks pretty good though. Potentially to continue.
Yeah, this buys are looking so tasty, so tempting.
It's a shame that lower wick was so aggressive, and the 15 as well, closing bearish, kind of put me off. But yeah, just wait a little bit longer, should be good. Why do you not think GJ is making a top wick for the daily? Yeah, I still do. I still do potentially, but I also think how many times has it rejected this level at 154,600 over here? It's got to go somewhere. Let me just turn this down a little bit over here. It's got to go somewhere. But yeah, I'm going to wait for the hourly. But looking like the 4 hours going to flip over here very, very soon and exceeding the high of the previous shortly. So yeah, we'll see. Wonder if I'm good to go on a GJ sell. Oh, I don't know. Don't know yet. I think GJ sells would be nicer below 438. I think they'll be looking a bit nicer. Any charts for the stream, make sure to put some in over here. Remember, I'm going to be giving the magic keys away very, very shortly for that. So make sure to do that as well, guys. If you're new to the channel as well, make sure to smash that like button. Helps everyone out. But yeah, looking like there's finally some nice candles on GJ finally in the past couple of days. Past couple of weeks has been awful, so it's good to see it. Hasn't exceeded the high of the previous hourly yet. 10 minutes left. Is it going to do that? We'll have to see. Daily is so strongly bearish. Yeah, that is true. But the issue is like, was it just bearish yesterday because gold was fucking launching, and now gold came all the way back down to where it wasn't launched, because we started launching here. So could it correct the move potentially if it's just based on the Goldie? Seems to be playing around in this area anyway, so I'm kind of happy to get in there. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. It's not afternoon for me. It's good. It's morning for me. So yeah, I mean, if this daily flips, oh my god, yeah, sells are going to be looking good as well. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. If I had to guess, though, I mean, as long as it doesn't, I think as long as this 4 hour over here doesn't close bullish, then maybe that might be the top wick of the daily to continue down. But at the moment, it's still holding supports pretty well. What are you doing with GU?
I'm still in.
You're still in? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Doesn't look nice, but it's still in. According to 1 hour.
A 5 minute closure back above. Oof.
Yeah.
Can you please comment on this chart? Yep. Thank you very much. I'll take a look at that over here. Sells below 1913 to retest daily prices in gold. What do you think? Sells below 1913. So now the hourly's exceeded the low of the previous. The 4 hour is bearish. 1915 coming down over here. This actual 50-minute closed below a little minor support over here. It's made the top wick. How much would the top wick be? 15 pips? Oh, that's cheeky. Come back down to the potential support over here, which was the resistance before. And maybe it'll secure some pips over here, 1912. Has it got enough time though in this hourly? Or would you rather wait for this hourly to close? Let me probably wait for this hourly to close. Yeah. Wait for the hourly to close. But yeah, it looks really, really good price action there. Tapping 1920 and rejecting it pretty hard. Which is nice to see. Ooh, another subscriber. Thank you very much for subscribing, Glenn. So yeah, people in the mentorship over here, I'm going to be doing the homework. The homework is going to be about the 8 AM candles on gold, where you think price may go to, looking at certain levels. I'm going to try and find some selling ones because, you know, we've seen that most of the time gold's been a buy recently at 8 AM Eastern. So I'm going to try and go back in time and find some sells, and you have to see which ones they would be. So that'll be good.
Are we going to do it together, or?
So you guys you can do it through the weekend, and then we go through it together. Yeah. So you basically go and draw out the zones, what you think, and then we'll go together and we can see if you were right or wrong. Yeah, we did last time. Worked pretty well. I enjoyed it. It was good fun. It was good fun. Hopefully sells rather than buys on GJ. Sells have been better. Yeah, sells have been nicer. I don't know, I like this 30-minute close in here. In 6 minutes time, as long as it closes a little bit above 800, should be good to continue. 900. 928 maybe. Oh, looks like this 50-minute play is going to work out over here. Exceeding the low of the previous. Squeezing a little bit of a 50-minute candle over here. Yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys. Subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, we've taken some really good trades actually this week. This week on stream we've done, we didn't do the gold because gold was NY. We've taken 2 break-evens, I think. 2 break-evens, which actually ran to 10 pips after, but that's good. There's barely any drawdown on the GJ one yesterday. Just unfortunately hit 9 pips and not 10. 15 pips on gold when it broke previous 30-minute lows. Oh, nice. 1916 there, yeah. Very nice. Oh, we had to wait for that top wick there, though. That was pretty aggressive. Or at least hold it on a little bit. Oh my lads, holding it on, flipping again. Break even.
Yeah. Yeah, for 45 minutes.
Oh my god.
Come on, London.
A trade I'm in at the moment entered when price flipped previous high. Ooh, USD JPY. Beautiful, looks like support forming. This is hourly time frame. Very, very nice. The only issue I have with this is the US dollar isn't open and the yen isn't open, so the volume could be pretty slow. But yeah, as a whole, it looks good because what has happened here, there's been resistance right around this area. Now it's making support. You got hourly closure, strong bullish. Take a trade, stop loss below. It was nice, yeah. Pretty good setup. Support forming, pretty simple as well. But yeah, it's just the pair might not be the best at this time because they're not open. I've got all day for this to play out. Yeah, that's true. Swinging it a little bit. Swinging it.
What time is London closed?
4:30, I think, or yeah, 4:30. 4:30. Yes, still didn't exceed the high of the previous hourly. And it's gonna close very, very shortly. 3 minutes time. Oh, I'm aching from that gym session. God, I need to get back into it, man, properly. UK Defence Secretary says Russia has not taken any of its major objectives and is behind its for timetable. Oh. What about a sell limit? We don't really do sell limits here because of the fact that you don't know if a candle is going to reject or not. So if you took a sell limit here, this candle at that time would be looking like this. So if this closed like that, then the probability for the next one to come and continue is high and you would have lost that trade. But if you waited for the rejection here and then waited for the exceeding of the low there, then that was pretty good with stop loss above. How big stop would that have been? 32 pips for a 46 pip gain. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Do you think a buy stop at previous 4-hour high is too impulsive? Yeah. No, I mean that actually could be all right, you know, at 800, yeah. That may not be too bad. It's just now in 2 minutes' time we're getting a closure, getting a bearish closure, so it's kind of hard. But yeah, I mean, if it does exceed them, it should at least come to 900. Would be interesting. Bit of an impulsive one, that, but it's going with the higher time frames. How many pips to like this level? Like 13.
That's reasonable. How much you drop?
Yeah, because the 4-hour hasn't exceeded the high. If it does, should get a nice little push up. Yeah, look at these 50-minute candles now rejecting pretty hard now. A minute 42 time. So yeah, we'll see. Let's do some more questions. If you guys have any questions about trading or anything, make sure to ask me them in the chat over here. Make sure to ask them.
Remember that old question, how can I calculate lot size? Remember this question?
Yeah. Oh, do you know what I saw yesterday on gold? A proper good wedge pattern. Where was it? On the 4-hour? No. Yeah, this one. Like, wait. Where's that? Where's the thing? I'm trying to find it. What's it called? Like a flag? Oh, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, like this. It was always going up. It just came up to a certain level and then popped out of it. Yeah, that gold trade, fucking nice. Max, fixed lot or percentage lot? It's always fixed lots. No percentage. Good morning, Max. Can you talk about candle timing? I trade the 8 and 9 a.m. candle on a 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, that's great. I mean, 5 minutes is quite a low confirmation, but yeah, I mean, if it works for you, that's good. 8, 9 a.m. is good, a lot of volume there. So this is London Open now, guys. London Open, hourly close bullish, 30-minute close bearish. Are kind of contradicting higher time frames there. Also, the 4-hour and the daily are in the middle of where price is, showing indecision. So I'm going to chill in this area, okay? I thought we could potentially continue here, but I waited for the hourly to close. And now it's kind of hard. So yeah, when the 4-hour and the daily flips are where price is, you know, it kind of shows a no direction, because the 4-hour is bearish, the daily's bullish. Higher time frames are contradicting themselves. So if they don't know where to go, how are you going to know where to go? So you've got to just wait and chill out a bit longer. So I've been reviewing my trades and my trade management as a whole. So I put my stops at break even after 7-8 pips and secure at 10. So I find that my return never was what I expected to be. So for instance, I've used a 1 lot on a trade, 1-to-1. So I'm risking 150, I expected 150 return. However, I find that on average my return on trade is always about the amount risk. So I in effect find my account always struggle. My winners just barely cover my losses because I'm at the disadvantage due to me not fully getting the return on my winners. So I feel like scalping lies on a high win rate because the winners just barely cover the losses. Yeah, I know, but also I think it's potentially in opportunities that have more of a 10 pips TP is where you can help as well. Like, you know, sometimes recently people have been taking them at 10 pips when we've been pushing down pretty hard, and you know, I close at 16 pips or 17 pips, and that does make a difference for sure. But yeah, also is the high win rate, and yeah, I think closing just at 10 pips, like, unless it's struggling and you can see it struggling, then fair enough, you know, you do take it off. But I think in some areas, some zones, you can squeeze a lot more than 10 pips out for sure. That's why I'm saying, like, you know, hold on, guys. But some people do want to just take it off. Ooh, did it work? Ooh, yeah, did not work over here. Hourly close bullish. Yeah, shame. Let's take a look at gold now. Gold coming back down to 1912, which is a really clear support level. Ooh, how much is zone here? 14 pips for 24 pip stop. Nah, that's not enough. Yeah, I was thinking on this flip over here, which would be the 30-minute flip as well. Yeah, I think you know, having your like partial TP at 10 pips is just not enough, because sometimes you know, it'll hit 10 pips, it'll go 12, 13, 14, 15, and that's where you get a good gain, especially when you manage trades at like 6-7 pips. I know recently we haven't been able to manage as well as normal, but that's just because the volume is just so big, you can't, you know, it doesn't really have time to manage. But that's just one of the things. Most times you can. So this hourly hasn't exceeded the low, hasn't exceeded the high, so kind of just waiting here. Look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4 hours bearish, daily's bullish, but the overall trend is bearish. So yeah, it's kind of interesting to see. Looks like gold is going to potentially get this flip over here. I mean, could be quite interesting, but for me the 4-hour time frame is still very, very bullish as a whole. Yeah, I'd kind of be scared of taking sells in that area. Hourly on GA making a top wick to continue down, would you enter? So it looks like the 30-minute over here. 30-minute is bullish, rejection wicks. That's the only issue you have. Yeah, the hourly looks okay, but the 30-minute's closing bullish strong as well. Kind of hard. Probably what we'd want to wait for is maybe a 15 or 30-minute bearish, and then coincide that with the hourly flips. That could be pretty decent. But yeah, the 30 minutes closing like that are pretty scary. Can you show the loss in NY? Did you manage risk? Nope, because it actually just fucking flew at my stop, which is pretty annoying. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, we got a 30-minute close. So this is support. This 30-minute here closed below. Then it made a top wick, which is here. I entered a sell on the low. I know it looks like it worked out, but it didn't, unfortunately. So stop loss is above here. My stop loss should have been higher. I don't know why I put it so fucking low. And then, yeah, unfortunately the spreads, because the spreads are quite high in that area. Normally my spreads could be quite tight, so I just put it at the actual area. But yeah, so price came up, and then came down, entered me here, then this candle came, this tapped me out, and then launched down. So yeah, just you know, nothing really you can do about that, just kind of bad price action. I think my only thing was there is that 2 o'clock on GJ is normally asked, so, but I just saw it and it looked nice, and I've been waiting for it for ages. But yeah, it didn't really play out. 30 minutes here, a bit higher, like there, looked nice, but they did take ages. I remember it being on this candle for fucking ages. But yeah, I can't really do much about that. Got clapped on that banger of a trade too. Price just reversed on us, yeah. It was a bit of a shit house. So yeah, 266 people in on YouTube over here. Sheesh, we chilling. We are chilling. Just waiting patiently. I mean, we'll see, we'll see. GU, oh no. Yeah, it's just Owly here, didn't work too well. GU done you dirty, Milan. Gold flipping over here, potentially. Yeah, I mean, if the stop was reasonable, which it is, like as in like the amount of pips, you know, it's 20 pips, but it's just where can you potentially get it? I mean, scripting 16 pips, scripting 20 pips, maybe. It's just right at the support. I'd rather have a bigger zone to fill, because you know, bigger zones on gold make it a lot easier to take trades. How did you overcome your psychological barrier? By taking the money side out of it. By playing it as a game and not looking at the winners and losers, etc. Yeah, this would be nice. I mean, I'm gonna paper trade this, but I think the only issue I have is this. So, if people are realizing why I wouldn't really take this trade, is because the stop here is 22 pips, and the take profit area where price could, you know, fall is 15. There's also a little minor support here at 1913, so kind of like a bad traffic to the left, so you just gotta leave that alone. GU 1 hour celery. I don't know. May do it, may do it. Oh.
Yeah, fuck it, GU. Fuck.
Let's take a look then, yeah. Let's take a look at the hourly now. Hourly hasn't exceeded the low yet, but looking pretty close to coming towards that level. Someone's saying gold sells, question mark. Yeah, it looks like it's going to play out over here. Just how far can it push down? How far, how far? So it'd be up like 6 pips. Yeah, 20 pips stop. You just gotta hope that when you come to like here, it'll run down a bit further up over here, but it could struggle. That's the only issue you got. That's the only issue. For sure. So yeah.
Oh, fucking GU, fucking.
It's starting to continue. Oh, yeah. 8 o'clock was the one.
Yeah, did you check out GJ on the 15?
Mm-hmm.
We had like can you just throw like a price level line at 750? And closures, you see many closures below 750.
Yeah. There, 750.
And the buys were looking tasty, but all that closures below 750.
Yeah, 750, the devil number. Oh, daily's about to flip over here.
So, 750.
750. I got in GU salary play. Ooh, nice.
Fucking G.
Nice. It worked out nicely.
Yeah.
8.8 pips. Jeez. Very, very good. Any advice on a new beginner trader? Take your time. You're gonna lose some money at the start. Don't worry about it. So yeah, put something that you can lose and not be annoyed with, and you know, get education from the right people, and yeah, you'll be fine. You will be good. Yeah, I got lost in that GU too, but I closed it early, so only 6 pip loss. Nice. 90 pips on GJ Sell. Ooh, nice. 19 pips. You got in a lot higher up over here. Also got in GU. Nice. Yeah, it looks like that play looked pretty good over here. Very nice. Very nice. So 18 minutes left for this 30. 3 minutes left for this 15. Interesting to see. Potentially some GJ sells soon. Potentially. Where could it continue down? Let's take a look over here. So 15-minute, we got it to 298. Yeah, that would be pretty good. And furthermore, 154. So yeah, getting in here, 15 pips. Yeah. $15 pips, and then 154, 017. Close 90%. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work, GU. Nice. So yeah, I needed that 8 o'clock push over here. Very nice. I haven't seen any cryptos yet. Have cryptos survived last night? Or is my account gonna be dead again? Oh shit, that shit's rebounded. Oh shit! Wow, XRP up 7%, Bitcoin up 7%, Ethereum up 8%. Nice. Damn.
Milan, are you still in GU trade?
No, I'm out.
Yeah, so it looks like...
I did the re-entry.
Oh, looks like gold may have got a 1-to-1 here. 1 minute left. Yeah, Goldie. Take a look on the hourly now. Yeah, coming towards hourly support, so that was the only issue I had. A very, very small kind of zone to take that gold trade. It looked like it worked nicely though, with the flip, stop loss above. Very nice. Very, very nice. What about the 1 hour on GJ? So the 1 hour on GJ, how's it looking? It's exceeding the lows now. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. It's a little bit low over here. Yeah, very, very strong candle now, which is good to see. Good to see. 4 hour when we're looking as well will be exceeding the lows of previous's, which would be nice to see as well. Need your advice on this. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Someone needs some help over here. Oh, wow. Took sells after the 15-minute candle made the top wick. Entered as the candle flipped. Oh, here. Okay. You took sells. Have been taking a series of losses on GJ this week. Can you please give me some advice? So 15-minute, you waited for the top wick to continue down over here. Okay, so where was this at? Was this? Let me just go into the chart over here. Here? Yeah, I think you took it here. Okay, right. So the one thing that can come to me is that, you know, you were trading in a range, first of all. You know, even though it's a closure below this little minor one, you can see the zones. If you had your 4-hour and your daily flips in these areas, you can see that price was clearly ranging in the higher time frames as well. And also for the fact that, look what time you were getting in, 7 AM. 7 AM volume on GJ is normally not the best. Normally like 7:30, 7:45 gets better. So that's probably why you're just getting in too early. And there's also traffic a lot to the left, yeah. So kind of all of them things over here. Wow, GJ pumping down, fucking hell. Some volume coming in over here, okay. Is GU flying? Oh. GU.
Yeah, the GU was nice. Fucking.
Yeah. So if we come below, I mean, 285, then fair enough. I'll still take that as well. We'll take a look on this 30-minute time frame closure. She's could pass 18 pips. Nice. Very, very nice.
Now we're looking good for sales for our exit the lows.
Yeah.
We need the closure.
Yeah, and daily's flipping off. The only issue I have is this little fucking area here. Is it enough? We'll see.
The 30 minutes a bit better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're on the 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Sorry, I was looking at your screen. Sorry, mate.
Yeah, I think.
But it's. Oh, I see what you're saying because you're looking at that on the left.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
But I mean, this is clean, I suppose. I mean, when did this happen? 7:30. Yeah, I mean, the wick came down anyway, so we'll see. We'll see.
We can get to break even by then. Depends where it goes, I guess.
Exactly. Yeah. Gold melt. Oh man, that gold there. Shit, it was nice. Just the zone for me was too small. But I mean, even if you risked it for a chocolate biscuit, just have stop loss to break even there. So now, yeah, 20 pip stop, 40 pip gain. That was good. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, looked like a lot of volumes coming in here. 8:15. Damn. I see this area messy. Yeah, I mean, a closure below 287 wouldn't be too bad as well, to be honest. So yeah, I'll have to take a look at that as well. We'll just see where this closes. We will see. You should have stop loss above previous hourly candle. Also, look when the move happened. Now with London Open, there's low probability of it to go down when you sold. I don't know what pair you're talking about over here. I think it's on. It closes back in the range. Yeah, see if gold can continue down. Let's take a look at the 4 hours now. Yeah, 4 hour rejecting. Hourly's rejecting. Interesting. So yeah, we'll see. 11 minutes time for this closure. And yeah, I mean, if it's below 290, I mean, we're going to be looking for some trades anyway. So looking like a lot of volumes coming in over here. For sure. 30 minutes, exceeding the lows again, 600 level. That could have been nice. I feel bad for Milan. Oh no, it's annoying, man. Fucking launch down now. No. Shit launched. So yeah, 10 minutes time. We'll see what the closure. That was too early, but went nicely. Yeah, exactly, man. Just needed that London Open, man. London Open volume, I think. London Open volume. Took 60 pips on gold. Nice. Wow, you got a bit higher up over here. How much stops like there? Oh, 13 pips. Okay. 23 pip gain. Jeez. 291 people in here. Yeah, just waiting for a nice closure in GJ very, very shortly. I mean, you know, it's in this zone now. You know, do I want it below 290? It's kind of the next issue over here. That's where this next support is. Yeah. Seen this happen quite a lot recently with the 8 o'clock candle open, and yeah, just a bit choppy in this area. Didn't really want to take trades there, but the only thing that could have been reasonable was the 30-minute exceeding the low there, rejecting the highs, stop loss above the current. This hourly's flipping that people were talking about. 4 hour very, very bearish. How much the stop's gonna be if you got there? 20 pips. 20 pipperoonies. Oh man, it's boring, man. There's no fucking closures. Oh, boring, boy. But yeah, we'll see, we'll see. I need to check TikTok for live war updates. Holy shit. Literally the whole of TikTok is just just that. Let's take a look over here. I closed all on GU. Nice, yeah. Pretty reasonable. On GU, let's take a look. Yeah. Ah, oh, nice. Yeah, I would have taken some off there. 19, I think. It's pretty good. That's where I would have been looking. Well done, well done. Milan's there like, fuck you. Wow, oh, come on, man. Just chill out, man. Just give me some nice closures. I fucking hate it when candles...
I'm happy for others. I'm always happy for others.
Yeah, exactly. I hate it when candles close there, man. Like, right on... Just coming to support. Like, really? If it just closed a bit below, you dickhead.
I think GJ closing below that area is really good potential sell. I mean, that second area where it is now.
Yeah, for sure. Fuck, how much momentum over here. Jeez! Oh my god, yes, the train. Oh my god, look at gold.
Yeah, but it's good to see volume like this again, man.
Yeah, true. Very, very true. It is very true. 50 on the runner catching Pokemons. Nice. Very nice. So yeah, closing in 5 minutes time. Closing in 5 minutes time. Oh, Brian, you cheeky fucker. He got in on that 15-minute right here.
When it retested the daily. Look. It was like 1.6 pip stop loss, bro. I was like, what?
That's cheeky.
And we had that push from the previous candle.
Yeah.
So the chances are slim that you're not going to get a week. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Very, very true. Very, very true. GG now, because that was a main take profit. Whenever I see a W pattern, double bottom on the left arm for the middle point as TP areas has worked out majority of the time. GJ risky now because that was a main profit. Can easily reject. Yeah, I wanted the closure here, man. Did you sold GJ? No. You'd see if I sell. Oh. This 5-minute closing back above here. How much should stops been? 25 pips. For a cheeky one, because the 30-minute over here, where did it react off? Yeah, right on 30-minute support. 3 minutes left for this candle. If this one makes a lower wick and then flips, I may potentially take this with support forming on gold to continue back up, flipping the 4-hour time frame. So something like this. Stop entry there, stop loss there. And expect price to flip back up because it's respecting the support now. Deeper pullback, rejecting the lows. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. But yeah, I want like a nice strong closure here. Nice strong closure. Because it gets them rejection wicks again. Damn. If it doesn't though and doesn't close strongly for me, I want a really, really strong engulfing 15-minute. 30-minute has got 2 minutes left as well, so yeah, I'll have to see. Gold GG over here pushing down hard. Nice. Where was that, Milan? Did you do that now? Oh no. GU coming down to, yeah, 791. I think I saw that on my chart as well. Makes sense, makes sense. Can you check US 30? No. I want you to send me a chart. Just send me a chart and I'll take a look at it for sure. I'll take a look at it. So, GJ's closing over here, 30-minute, very, very strong candle. I mean, still looks good to continue down over here, which is nice. Now the zone is a lot bigger. 23 pips, so yeah, we'll see. GJ sell once it makes a top wick with a closure below. Yeah, potentially, because the stops can be back in the zone. Hopefully it makes a nice 10 pip stop. That would be pretty good. Then yeah. Oh yes. Yeah, 154 would be the next target, and that's a good psychological level as well, for sure. That would be pretty nice. Write this on there, 154. So yeah, 50 seconds left right about now. Is there a sell on Euro USD 30-minute time frame? I don't know. You send me a chart and I'll take a look at it. But I'm not going to look at every single chart everyone sends me. Looks like GJ's still not closing above on this little support zone, so nothing yet. Nothing yet. GA flipped the hourly. And GU should come back down to 720 over here, which is good to see. So closing now. Nice, beautiful closure up below, so looking pretty good to continue. Do I buy GJ? No, I don't think so. Do you want to get in on the low? At the moment, probably, because that'll be 10 pips. I don't like the left-hand side. I think 30 minutes clean. I like it to come up a bit higher, though, for me, first. Take a look at the hourly, 29 minutes left. Yeah, a lot of time on the hourly as well, which is good to see. Hi Max, how to send the charts? You screenshot it here with a link and then post it here, or you just put it in Discord. Looking very nice now. The start of the hourly, start of the 30-minute time frame. The more it pushes up, the better for me. Do I want to get in on the flip? Probably not, because I don't think that's enough room, really. Unless it gives me a nice 10-pip stop here. Then we can continue down. Exceeding the low could be an entry with stop loss above right now, because that would give it a 12-pip stop. Yeah, and then if that happens, the hourly will be coming back down to hourly support here, 184. That's quite close actually to the 1 hour. Yeah, it's annoying how it's pushed down a lot already, man. Fuck. Yeah, a top wick like this. Can you see what happened yesterday? There, 380. Then the flip I'm gonna probably take over here. Just don't want to rush into it, because normally the start of 30s, it takes its time. Then I may push later on.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it does look good, doesn't it? 15 pip on the highs of the zone isn't bad at all either.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna enter a GU right now.
GU?
Yeah. 7 pips stop loss.
Yeah. Looking like it's gonna run over here. Still got 26 minutes left, so I don't want to really rush into it. I prefer it to come a bit higher up first. 15-minute quite choppy, don't you think? I don't really. I mean, here, yeah, but I mean, the 30-minute is clean, and it's kind of based off it to at least 130 for sure. We shall see. But yeah, I mean, your top wick to like 380, 388, because that'll be at the top of the zone. Then the flip. That'd be pretty reasonable. Gold starting to, come back up again. Nice. have to see. Make more of a topic, boy. Let's take a look on the 5 minute. Yeah, exceeds like 244. Pretty reasonable. 24 minutes left. Did a lot of time in that. So yeah, I'm trying to think of where I could put my stops. That is the only issue. So very, very bearish as a whole. Do I want to get in on the lows here as well? That is the thing. That is the thing. $399 would be the stop. $399 would be the stop, I think. Right, I'm gonna take this now. Just took a sell over here. Stop loss above this pre-region over here, 390. Back in the previous zone, and yeah, don't want to miss this trade because I think it's going to be pretty reasonable in the next 23 minutes or so. Want to give it a bit more room on the high over here, but yeah, got in right there, 270.
Yeah, I got in on the flip before you guys got in a few candles ago, and I used the 5 minutes of the, I don't know, 4 or 5 minute candles ago or something. I was like, well, if it goes up above that, then that was kind of my reason.
Yeah, that's true.
Where I put my stops.
Exactly.
Which is pretty much where you put yours.
Yeah, for sure. So exceeding the low of the previous now, good confirmation to continue down over here, which is nice. Take a look on the 30. Yeah, looking good. Exceeding the lows. Looking nice to continue. Pushing down over here. I'm up 8-9 pips profit over here. Coming towards TP1, which is good. Beautiful. After that reflip, I was like, yeah, I need to get in this, man. Okay, beautiful. So up around 8 pips over here. Stop loss to break even. Making this a risk-free trade for me. Beautiful. Should come down over here to our TP of 10 pips. And should actually float to 130. So coming towards 10 pips, near gonna hit it. Is it gonna be a 9 pipper trade again? No, it better not fucking be, I swear to God. Better not be. Looking like some good volume though on GJ, so we'll see.
I swear, every time I take a breakout with you, it loses, and every time I decide not to, it wins. That's so
Nah, looking like it's retracing back up over here. Don't be too fortunate.
You guys did?
Well, mine's gonna hit break even. Yeah, just hit break even again. Fuck! Man, another day! Oh my God!
I also took that. Also at break even.
Oh my God!
That was looking so good. Everything lined up there.
That was nice. Oh, that's so annoying. Fuck! Another day hitting 9 pips and fucking break even. Holy shit! Can we re-enter? No, don't re-enter now. Oh my God!
I just don't think buying like at the break of the low on breakouts works very well.
Buying?
I think that's the least profitable one. Like selling, sorry.
Selling. Yeah.
Because when you do salary plays, it works really well. But when you buy at the low and it's already like a bit of a rejection, I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, that's so annoying, man. Really? Like 9 pips, you motherfucker. So let's update it again. This feels like a fucking deja vu of yesterday. Holy shit. GJ. Break even. So now 4 break evens. I've had fucking 3 break evens this week. And they've all ran, well no, they ran 9 pips. Like really, do you need that retracement? Just fucking continue, you dickhead. 20 pips, 20 minutes left for this 30. You may do this now. Should have entered gold in the 15. I shat it. Let's take a look. Yeah, gold continuing now. Damn. What the fuck? Oh wow, now it's gonna do it over here. Amazing. What was the need for this? Like, what was the need? Just fucking go down. And now it's gonna finish the move over here. Amazing. Beautiful.
Should drop 100 pips now.
Yep. Nah, look at this now. This is feeling a bit more. Look at this with gold. Yeah, probably the news are going to shag up our whole technical analysis again for the 17th day in a row.
The GJ 1 hour is like right at support right now. Well, I just tapped it.
Yeah, I just tapped it there. Well, that's where I wanted to take profit, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I mean, looking back
I
at
just
it
mean
now.
like for future trades. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, looking back at it now, I mean, you know, this isn't a range, but I mean, maybe exceeding the low there would have been okay. I mean,
I enter a GU right now.
GU.
I'm flip 30 minutes.
Yeah, man. I need to update my trades this week, but a lot of them been break evens and up 9 pips. Fucking typical, dickhead. Oh my god, like 9.5. Zero drawdown again, but like fuck. Come on, man. Let's take a look on the 4 hour now. Yeah, really bearish. The dailies, they're flipping as well, pushing down nicely. That was good. Yeah, I mean, maybe getting. I think is though getting in here is just not my values, man. It's right at support. It just wouldn't. I mean, it's a strong candle, and your stops have got to be just, you know, above the previous zone. Just there's no like nice closures, man. No top wicks. I mean, there's a top wick there. That was good, but you can see it. It's just pissing around at 8:42. Is that the same as yesterday? Let's take a look. Yeah, literally the same as yesterday. Same as yesterday. And now it should continue over here down to 154, 150. Beautiful. I feel like it will still correct. Ooh. Correct what? Let's take a look at gold now in the hourly. 17 minutes left, kind of rejecting. Yes, it launched 1 hour after London Open. Yeah. It sure did. GU looking good now. Exceeds that lower wick as well. Looking good to continue. Looking good. GJ is not moving by 10 pips in one direction. I think it is. I think this one moved 25 pips. This one moved 24 pips. So it has.
In the same direction.
Yeah. So yeah, what can you do? Yes. Take a look at the 4 hour now. Yeah, it's still very bearish. Coming towards the little bit of daily support here at 219. That's maybe why it's struggling. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, gold just playing with people over here now. Yeah, gold's kind of hard for this kind of region. A lot of wicks everywhere. 4 hour over here still bearish. Daily bullish. Yeah, so kind of higher time frames. Not knowing where to go, man. Not knowing where to go. Fucking hell, this is still playing about. Yeah, GJ over here. Not too good. I know you want to protect your risk moving to break even, but you would have left it a little for the continuation down if it happens. Wait, what? I know you want to protect your risk moving to break even, but would you have left it a little for the continuation down if it happened? No, I was up 9 pips. I'm not gonna go into drawdown after 9 pips. Fuck that. That was never on the table.
Come on, a little more.
Oh, what did you get on a 30-minute flip?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost. Come on.
So gold, yeah, stayed above the zone. You're break even now. Nice. Yeah. Nice. 30 minutes still up over here. Nice. Should continue to 130 over here. That's the next 30-minute support. Will it take its time? Well, looking at past at the moment, yeah, it's looking like it's messing about. So it looks like 2 potential moves today. Today and yesterday. We're rejecting certain levels, exceeding lows of 30 minutes. And the same thing happened yesterday on the 15, I think. Let's take a look. I know it happened later on, 8:30. The rejection, but that did kind of close above, so that kind of would have been a bit of impulsive. But they're the ones that were the London trades, really. Yeah, getting in a bit higher. Stop loss is a bit tighter as well, especially rejecting that numerous times here. Jeez. TP should be 89 pips for GJ to take it. No. TP should be 89 pips for GJ. No, because stop losses are 10 to 12 pips, and this is only 1 week out of 252. I'm not going to change my full stop loss for a 1 week. Hell no. That'd be very silly. Yeah, so it looks like when this 50-minute close over here, just exceeding the low, just launched it down, which is nice. I'm in GU with Milan. Oh, someone on the streams on GU with Milan.
Still struggling.
Milan got himself a partner.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like.
Should I say companion?
Yeah, it looks like gold hasn't really done much since the open. Really moved down, kind of rejected, then came all the way back up over here. Now it's struggling a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, that 5-minute rejection was nasty. I kind of wanted it to price to tap 1911 again, then start coming up on the highs, but with that 5-minute bearish closure here, shows that it's rejecting them highs as well. Ooh, it's also 30-minute flip. 15's got 11 minutes left.
Come on, Gio, 2 more pips.
2 more pips. Nearly there. $30 minutes flipped on gold over here. Look at the 5-minute. Oh my god. It'll be 20 minutes on this 15-minute now. Sorry, 20 pips. Sorry. No. 11 minutes left for the 15. Exceeded the low of the previous 15 now. Looking good to potentially fill this wick up here. GG on its way. Yeah, it's taking its time. Kind of makes sense because a little bit choppy here on the 15, but 30 minutes still looked okay to continue to the support. I mean, even if you held on it, you're not in any drawdown really yet. But it has been taking its time. Yeah. Oh my god, you're so close, Milan. This has been my 2 days. 9 pips profit and then hits break even. Really? Really? Good thing is I didn't see negatives on any of them, but you know, it's just that extra, just little push, like, come on.
That's a sign from the gods. You need to get in sooner.
Yeah, exactly. I know, but like justifying getting in here for me would just be like, yeah, 30 minutes exceeding the low, bearish pressure, yeah, fuck it. But the range it's still in a range, like it would just be guessing, like, you know, I don't know.
I agree.
You know what I mean?
I think that was very hard to get any good positions there.
Yeah,
there's
like
no real like whips or anything.
Apart from the rejection.
Like right there, it just literally it was more bullish than it was bearish, and suddenly it just broke below.
Yeah. Exactly. So maybe hourly exceeding the low, maybe.
This is the market cycle we are in right now, you know, and it will definitely change where it will come to a point where it respects the way we basically trade. Yeah. But like for now, since Jan, market didn't respect the closures. Like yesterday, on the 30-minute was the first time I saw such a beautiful closure below that. For the first time, like in a very long time.
Yeah, literally.
So, it was so beautiful, and I haven't seen it. I felt so lekker. I spoke to Brian. I tell him, "Yo, buddy, when last did we see something like that, man?"
Literally. Literally.
So yeah, but now in this time, like it's literally either buying up in the range, like it was basically filling the range. You know, so like even I sent Brian a message earlier, like that first 15-minute when we had that strong closure. So I was first thinking of selling off that doji, like the week of that doji would have been my stop loss, and selling down. So I didn't do that. But after we had that strong bullish closure, the stop loss was like so little. It was for me little, you know. So that tiny week I just sold, and but I only sold because of that strong bearish closure. It was a very strong bearish closure. So if you look at all that candles, it broke below all of that whole range, smashed that whole range. So for me, that was totally worth it.
Yeah, for the tiny stop loss you had, it's just that it's a good chance it's going to wick up and stop you out. Then I guess if the stop loss is so small, then it's worth it.
Hit break even on GU.
No.
8.4 pips was.
Oh, you feel the pain now. You feel the fucking pain.
I was waiting 11 pips.
Yeah, I was waiting for fucking 10 for 2 days.
Yeah, what you were saying, Jason, like with the 8 o'clock candle, like you said, if it's such a strong 15 minutes, usually it keeps going. The only worry is the wick.
Yes, so, and the thing is this, for example, even if we do the closures above or below, that is the closures that we expect. So we expect price to smash that zone, basically with that kind of bear candle that came down there, you know. So that base for me, that is an indication where price is intending on going. Plus for me also because that quarter point, that multiple rejections on the quarter point, the strong bearish closure, was just like for me personally, it was just a no-brainer to jump, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, you like you said, you got the 500 level close below. Yeah, you're right. You are right. I mean, you could just put an arbitrary 10 pip stop loss.
100%.
But I really like the way you say strong, by the way.
Yeah, I have to put the info.
Strong
closure. Strong closure.
I'm done for the London, guys.
You're done. He's pissed off with GU now. GU is not his friend.
Yeah.
He's back onto GA.
Yeah.
No, GA, fuck me. GA, he has spreads like gold. Fucking GA. No.
5 minutes left.
I lost first trade, minus 12 pips. So I'm 11 pips minus today.
I don't know how you must have like 10 eyes, Milan. I don't know how you keep your eyes on all these pairs. Just think I know what they're doing. It's crazy.
Say again.
Like when I'm looking at just one or two pairs, I still like have to remind myself the bias and what I'm looking for. If you're looking at like 4 pairs, I don't know how you do it.
Yeah.
I'm not looking
your brain
for
must be like completely wired in. Are you taking performance enhancing drugs, Milan?
In the gym.
Yeah, but in gym, no gym, only calisthenics, only bars.
No gym.
No
No
gym.
gym. Fuck gym.
Fuck gym.
Fuck gym. Only bars.
No, respect to you. I can't do it. I need to keep my eyes on just like one thing at a time. It's just the way I work.
Yeah, but it's acting the same. GU,
Yeah.
GJ.
Yeah.
Same.
No, it's no fair play. I wish I could do it as well.
I like GU because of my spreads on that way.
Gold's really holding
And
this
the last month, GU went well.
Yeah. It did. It sure did. Yeah, looking for Goldie here. 3-4 minutes left. Because the daily time frame on gold still bullish. The 4 hour over here is kind of contradicting. Has exceeded the high, hasn't exceeded the low. So yeah, kind of interesting over here. I'm waiting for this 30-minute to close. So it looks like, yeah, GJ over here closing in 3 minutes time on the 30-minute time frame has got still 3 minutes to continue back down to 130, but yeah, taking his time in this area, which kind of makes sense coming towards hourly support. That's why it's chilling about. Can you confirm if your Russian friends are going to hack the USA? Oh god, he's not Russian. He is Serbian.
Yeah, but 1 hour on GJ looks good.
Look at GU.
1 hour closure.
Look at GU.
fucking
Flipping again. This is just taking this time. 154,200. It's taking this time. My trade still would be on here, but
fuck. It got 11 pips. Fuck.
Oh, look at gold still respecting these lows. Holy shit. Look at the 5 minute.
Max, boy, do you think GJ on 1 hour? No closure?
Nah, I'm leaving GJ now.
Yeah, on 1 hour?
Yeah,
on 1 hour?
I'm leaving it. I've tried. It's taking too long over here. But I am looking at gold
GJ.
here.
But it looks good, GG on 1 hour. No closure below.
Yeah, it was...
Retest that zone and go back. There's a nice clean traffic below. No 1 hour.
See, look at this hourly closing. 1917 would be pretty juicy to continue back up. And then to 1920. I do think if we do break 1920 today, your runners are going to do pretty well. If we break above 1920, we're going to continue to 1929, which makes sense as well. For me, I'm liking gold, because of the fact that we have rejected these wicks for the second time now. Brian, are you seeing this? Right at support?
Yeah, but I wouldn't trigger anything there now.
No. It's nice to see it though. Take a look at where stops should be.
Yeah, the support's holding for sure.
Yeah.
Lots of rejection.
That 5 minute candle coming in clutch. 54 seconds left. I like gold respecting support. Yeah, me too. Hourly closing bullish as well.
I'm gonna enter a GG on 1 hour for sure. I need only wick.
How many gold trades have you triggered in London over the past, say, time that you've been trading London session for live streams? Have you had a lot?
Yeah, to be fair, if I go back and on my Instagram and stuff when I post them, yeah, I've had quite a lot.
So there has been. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, there has been normally like more subtle moves, but yeah.
That's with your same closure and wick tail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. For sure. 4 hour here, got an hour's left. It's made the low wick, hasn't exceeded the low of the previous. Nice. Very nice.
GG's lost momentum, isn't it?
Yeah.
Had that support.
Oh, there is 1 hour. We
probably get a pullback, hopefully for a resistance forming for New York, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna enter GJ for sure.
I think I'm gonna enter gold. Stop loss is gonna be 25 pips. I want my stop below this 5 minute though. Yeah, I'm going for it over here. So I got a buy stop on this high over here, guys. Put my stop over here. Because we've rejected the previous support numerous times now. My stop is a lot bigger actually. It's like nearly 30 pips from that low, but we'll see. Let me just take a look on the 5 minute. Oh no, sorry, it's not. 11:43. So yeah, I think now with this 5 minute closing very, very strongly now, and now it's making a lower wick for me. I may use this current lower wick, but for me it's support forming. With the higher time frames in our favor on the 4 hour, obviously it's not bullish yet, but I do think we could continue to flip. So yeah, we'll take a look over here. Nice lower wick again, beautiful work. That's what I like to see, especially on the 50-minute time frame. Coming back to that area, if we reject again and flip and exceed the high, we should be good to continue up. Let me just get rid of all of this crap over here to the 30-minute time frame over here. We should continue to 1920, only if we exceed this wick. So coming down over here, if now price exceeds, let's take a look over here, this area, then it is invalid now. So we're going to wait. If this candle then now continues up and flips, it'll be the 30-minute making the low to continue up. So yeah.
Come on, GG.
Anyway, cheers guys. I'm out. Enjoy.
See you later, my boy. See you later, brother. So yeah.
I put a sell stop on GG on 1 hour. 9 pips.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks great.
And
now we're testing that zone. Yeah.
The issue I have is this: we tried it once and it's fucking pissing about in this zone. I mean, yeah, the 5 minute looks pretty good.
But it's acting like yesterday, so I'm gonna respect it.
Yeah, that's fair.
War strategy.
Would you get in on the flip?
I will on 1 hour.
Oh,
flip.
Stop loss above previous is only 14 pips. That's not too bad.
No. Oh, my stop loss is 9 pips on 1 hour. On current week.
Yeah, a 15-minute closing doji for me is a bit nasty. So coming down to the support again, as I said, if this candle now flips, I may get in on the flip because it'll give me a better stop. Yeah, 1914. 1914-074. Beautiful. Beautiful. Mine's actually 0-1 on my MetaTrader, but anyway. So yeah, stop now is going to be 25 pips or so. And I'm going to be targeting 1920. Yeah, and that's hourly as well, making the lower wick. Delicious coming towards hourly support again at 1912, like I've talked about. But I said, you know, if on the 5-minute and the 15-minute we stop passing these lows, 1911, then stops are going to be too big and it's not respecting them. But as long as it plays in this area here, and we get the rejections for the 3rd time, then we should be good to continue up. Clean candles to the left here to continue to 1920. So yeah. So if it exceeds like 1911.3, then yeah, maybe going downtown again. We'll see in this area. Just this area here. Can dip its little toes in there, but as long as it doesn't pass through it, then it should be okay. Max, I'm conflicted between taking my profit very close to TP and leaving it to hit TP where there's possibility for it to turn around and have a small win. Discipline or conflict? I think you should just focus on your zones rather than TPs. For me, there was enough zones there to get my 10 pips. Obviously, it didn't hit 9 pips, that's fine. But I think don't really focus on the measurement. I mean, I know Ted always talks about you know, looking at the trade. You know, any win is a good win as long as, you know, it's reasonable. And with the candles to the left, you know, if it's struggling in certain areas, and yeah, just take it off if you can. For example, yesterday I probably should have taken mine off because it was at support. But yeah, I think kind of just not focus on the pip side of it and just get what you think you can get out of the market. Is GJSL? It looks like it. It looks like potentially some of my members over here are going to take it.
Yeah, I put the chart.
Yeah, my issue is that is the 5 minute here. It's looking ass.
No, but I'm looking 1 hour.
Yeah. Is that the top wick though? That is the only thing.
Yeah. Respected that rejection from that zone.
I think previous 30 stops is probably nicer. But it's just that the previous support, the next support is only 7 pips away. It's been annoying. But yeah, we'll see. So 4 hour has got 53 minutes left. So remember, as the time goes down, the probability of us flipping and exceed and making this bullish decreases. So got to keep that in mind. Price is coming towards the level that I want it to respect. If it pushes through this level, then I'm going to delete my buy stop. So like, pull it here, 1911.1, etc. See y'all later, chat. See you later, my man. Take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it's coming down over here. Not respecting it. I'll give it 5 minutes or so, then I may delete it. 155,500. Yeah. Right, okay, so taking a look now over here, we've exceeded the low of the previous 30. We're coming towards this area where my stops are going to be way too big for a trade anyway. I thought 25, 26 pips was reasonable now. Now it is probably not. Doesn't mean it still can't reject and push back up, but for me, the stop loss, if I got in on the flip right now, is going to be, yeah, 30 pips. Not really reasonable, I don't think. I'm going to give it 1 or 2 more minutes. I'd rather it just fly down here for me, and then I can be happy. How long is left for this candle as well? 15 minutes, yeah. So coming down now over here, and this is why waiting for bottom wicks and top wicks saves you some money over here. Oh shit! Let's look at the 5 minute now. Oh my god, that 5 minute whipping back up. Gonna give it 2 more minutes and we'll chill. For NY session, 306 people in the chat as well. Amazing work. Yeah, GJ on the 15s look pretty awful.
We shall see.
We shall see.
Wordle?
Yeah, Wordle's coming soon. Wordle's coming soon. I'm just watching this 5 minute. I want to see this 5 minute close back above. 30 minutes, got 20 minutes left. So quite a lot of time. Interesting. Milan's tired, man. Milan needs to go wake up. Yeah. Wake up, Milan.
I'm going to close this order.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, exceeded the high the previous 30 now. Yeah. Oh, yes. 5 minutes left for this 15. We'll see. I mean, it's still respecting it, I'm not going to lie. With the 5 minute closure in 2 seconds. Still respecting that support. So yeah, interesting. I think if this flipped now, I'd still potentially want to get in. My stop is still going to be on this low, however. So yeah. I'm not going to put it under this low, I'm just going to put it in this area. I didn't realise what time it was. Yeah, it's 9:10. Jeez, we've been on for a while. Been on for a while, gang.
Yeah, I'm done. See you guys later.
See you later, Milan, my boy. See you later.
See you.
Yeah, stop's still gonna be here. Hourly's made the lower wick now. If this hourly flips, you get a nice push. Clean candles to the left on the 30-minute here. Yeah, we'll see. If not, it's gonna be like a 20 pip loss. Not really too bothered. Should be good. Minute has got 3 minutes left. Okay. Yeah, that 5 minute closing right that again. Jeez, I don't think it will respect. Why wouldn't you wait for a minor resistance to form on GJ to retest the lows? Yes, that's what I'll wait for later on. So yeah, somewhere right around this area, 154,400. Wait for some resistance to form. That is where I would look over here. It would look like this. After a big move down, wait for a retracement, wait for resistance to form, and then ride it back down again. 30 minutes, still got 80 minutes left, 3 minutes left for this 15. We'll see where this 15 closes and this 5 minute. If it closes below, I'm going to delete it. Do you think I should hold sells from 154,600? Ooh, 600. Are you still holding them on? I mean, you should have been taking some profits at least. Yeah, maybe a 288. You should have taken some off. I think your stop loss should be at least 430. So you got 20 pips. This is the next support. If it doesn't hold and it comes back up over here, not looking too good. Yeah, your GJ sell here is fucking gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Like seeing the low of the 30 minute stop loss above was nice. I'm bullish and gold, just waiting for the right entry, which so far I can't see. Yeah, I'm going to see this 15 minute close in a second. G active right on support. Yeah, for me and GJ, with these sells, I mean, they always made sense because the daily over here was just making the top wick. It's just where was your entry? Could have been more aggressive with the lows here. Could have been when you exceeded these lows here, 438. Yeah. 4 hours, got 46 minutes left, man. So yeah, if this minute, if this closes in a minute's time below, then I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. So the potential trades on gold you could have taken this morning. What was that at 7:30? I'll be put stops there. Yeah, that was a bit too big. Maybe this one over here. 23 pips. The 25 pips. Yeah, that was probably the better one. But you would have had to hold the raw down there. Big top wicks over here. Damn. 288 people in YouTube. Jeez, lovely stuff. So yeah, 4 wins, 4 break-evens, 1 loss. I've been on holiday for half of it as well, so it'd be not too bad. The break-evens over here, past 3, sorry, went to TP after. But they were up 9 pips, so I'm not taking a loss from that. But yeah, just kind of volatile. So yeah, closing 60 minutes time over here, breaking the lows, not looking good to continue to get these nice little buy swings to 19, which would have been nice. But that's what you got to do. Wait for the buy stops. They save you a lot of hassle. But yeah, so I'm going to delete the buy stops over here. Deleted them. 50 minutes actually closed below over here now, so should continue down to fill that wick over here in 1909. But yeah, just delete my own over here. There we go.
I'm gonna go for today.
Yeah, me
I don't
too.
trade New York on Friday, so I'll see you guys on Monday.
See you on Monday, my man. You too, my brother. You too.
Bye.
See you later. Yeah,
Bye.
I'm gonna head off over here. Gonna wait for NY session on GG and Gold. Should be good later on. Yeah, so guys, thank you very much for tuning on. If you did enjoy the stream, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later, Zoom, for NY session. See you later, guys. Peace out.
Man.
See you later. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much. Make sure to like the stream before you leave. Peace out.